Okay, guys, we are going to do, over there in that rack is a 6-pack of shells I got from Wes over there at the Richmond Sheltons. It's called Dirk, and the brand is Pyro Pirate. I should be able to get you a picture of it up here on screen. I have lost the box, so hopefully I can get that picture. But Dirk from Pyro Pirate. 6 ball shells, guys. Dirk by Pyro Pirate. He said, try these out, let me know what you think. I heard they were good. Here we go, guys. Oh, they're good. Oh yeah, those are good. I'll take that Pyro Pirate. Yeah, I'll go back and get some more of those. Dirk by Pyro Pirate, guys. Sorry, my timing was a little off there, but those were nice. Nice little ball shells. Enjoy those, and we're gonna go warm up a little bit and then come back and hit up some more of these demos here on New Year's. Until next time, X Pyro out.